So I'm sure you have a Gmail account. I'm pretty sure everyone does these days. And I'm sure that all of us have access to Google Translator, which means anybody that watches this video can make money online just with these 2 free tools that everybody has. But not a lot of people know about this, and not a lot of people realize that you can actually make money with these 2 tools. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can go and make money online, such as $500 in a day in just about 30 minutes to an hour of work using Gmail and Google Translator without actually spending any money on this. So you can be a complete beginner. We aren't going to be in front of a camera. We don't need any technical skills, and we don't even need our own websites. All we need is gmail.com and Google Translator, and that's it. And once this is set up, all you need from there is a mobile phone to run this, and it can bring you passive income online. And also, if you're new to the channel, if you want to become an online entrepreneur, learn how to make money online, grow an online business, and grow an online brand, my name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset, and on this channel, I'm uploading daily videos and giving away different resources in every single video. So make sure to keep watching me with me. In the next couple of seconds, I'm going to show you what I'm giving away now. But make sure to go down below and subscribe down below with the bell on. I would really appreciate that. And leave a like on this video. And in this particular video, I've got a crazy giveaway for you guys. So if you remember in yesterday's video, I gave away something similar. But what you didn't know is I actually bought a couple of courses yesterday. Yesterday I gave one away. In today's video, I'm giving away a different course, but by the same content creator. So in this video is what you call Seaside Profits, which teaches you finding done for you affiliate products, creating your own membership offer that generates passive income, keeping your members subscribed, protected members area or not protected members area, sales of graphics and sales copy, commission structure, free traffic, paid traffic, viral traffic 1, teach your students to promote, viral traffic 2, the viral affiliate method, free traffic case study, a paid traffic case study, getting your students to promote your case study, and then lesson 16, which is a conclusion. And on top of that, you can also register for live training. You can join their support group and their VIP group to give you support if there's anything that you don't understand about this course. So if you guys want this course giveaway, make sure to watch this video until the end. And at the end of this video, because you can use this strategy to make boatloads of money with this course as well, to make huge money online. So I suggest watch this video until the end and then go take this course where I'm going to give this to you at the end of this video, and kind of put 2 and 2 together will be a great business model and way for you to make money online. So this course is not some upsell to some $2,000 course. It's literally the direct link to this page where you can go and watch the course immediately, so that you don't even need to enter your email or anything. It'll be direct you straight to this page over here. So without further ado, guys, this is going to lead us to our first step, which is going to come over to Google, and we want to type in Google Translator. And make sure to keep watching, because the third step that I'm going to show in this video is really important with this, and that's what's going to make us and put this together and make us the most money online with this. So now, when people are searching on Google, or searching different Google searches such as how to make money online or how to start affiliate marketing, there's a lot of websites and forums and solutions to the questions that aren't really popping up for their search, simply because perhaps that website is in a different language. It's not made for their country or not made for their language. Now, we can actually go and use this by using Google Translator to make money online with this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to Google Translator and you want to put in any term. Let's, for example, start off with the language. Let's go Dutch, for example. We want to go and search, we'll type in English, how to make money online. And here you can see is now the same search term, how to make money online, just in Dutch. So now what we want to do is we actually want to copy this search term, this to online geld kan verdienen. I'm not Dutch, so excuse my Dutch. But let's go over to Google and we want to paste this keyword and we want to click on enter. So over here, you can go and see, for example, 12 tips, this is obviously in Dutch, on how to make money online. For example, this is all about how easy ways to make money online, how to make money online. So these are all German articles that don't pop up, obviously, for people in English. Now, what's great about this is you can go and make money online with this with various different languages. So make sure to keep watching, because this is really going to be crazy on how we're going to make money with this. Because remember, you can do this in Spanish, you can do this in French, you can do this in Italian, you can do this in Japanese, Chinese, every single language that you can go and think of. You can literally go to Google and search all the languages in the world, and you can go and do this for each and every language and set a couple of streams of income up with this at the same time. So let's, for example, go over to this particular example over here. This is all about 12 tips on how to get money online, which could be very useful. I usually like these kind of websites that give you like 12 steps or something like that. So over here, you can see, okay, obviously this is all in German, but it gives you the 12 different steps on how we can make money online. If you want to understand what this website means, you'll see up here, it's like a little translate tool. You can click on that and I can just click on English. And take a look at this. There we go. So how can you earn best money online? 12 tips. It just translates it for you. So you can kind of just read through the website, make sure that it does make sense and that it's a good quality website. And we can always just translate that back to Dutch. And what I'm trying to say is, obviously, if I searched online how to make money online, I would have never found this article. No one in the world that's English would have found this article. So now we can go and use this article, since not a lot of people, or not a lot of English people, know about it, to target them because it's a new website, and we can simply go and make money online with that. And the first thing that we need to go and do is to make money online with Google Translator and gmail.com, like I'm going to show you in a bit, is we need to go and find an affiliate product, and I already have the perfect affiliate product for you. So take a look at this. If you come over to clickbank.com, all right, and I click on sign up or login, you need to click on sign up or login if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can log in with your account. For those of you that are new to ClickBank, quickly, it's all about an affiliate marketplace where you can become an affiliate for various people's courses, software, and programs. Every time you share that, they reward you a commission for that. Some programs are paying over $2,000 per sale, and this is honestly the best place to go and sell products that you don't even need to create or have in stock yourself. You can actually make boatloads of money for this through this website. Another good example is digistore24.com. If you don't have a ClickBank account, you can always sign up on Digistore24. Since I have a ClickBank account, I'm going to log in with my account quickly. And just to show you Digistore24 as well, I will log in with my account as well. Actually, I might use Digistore24 because the product that I actually want to use is on both ClickBank and Digistore24, but I think the commissions are much higher on Digistore24. So the specific product I'm talking about is this product over here called Crestani, which is John Crestani's super affiliate system in the Make Money Online niche. So all you do is you can come over to the category section over here, come over e-business and e-marketing. Since our niche that we've chosen with this article is all about making money online, obviously our affiliate product has to relate or be similar in the same niche. You'll see over here Crestani's products is over here. This is a super affiliate system course. Every time you refer someone to this course, you're going to get $633 straight to your account. What I like about this specific product is that he offers a free training, and we can use that as a hook. It's like a 40-minute free video, and that's a great way to use as a hook to get people into this course, which then upsells them to the main course where you make $633 commission. But on Digistore24, if I type in Crestani, same thing over here. So you can come over to like e-marketing and entrepreneurship, obviously the same niche, but I already have my product, which is John Crestani's course. Over here is again his super affiliate system, except here you get $1,275 commissions. I don't know why the commissions is a lot more on this website, but since it is a lot more in here, you can see here is your affiliate link, which you can go and save in this tab for now, because we're going to be using this just in a bit. So the next step is, guys, we're going to leave our affiliate link here just for a minute. Make sure to keep watching, because this is the most crucial step, and how everything is going to be automated, and how this whole system is going to bring in passive income for us. So leave your affiliate link over here. We need to come back over to gmail.com. We log in with our Gmail account. You'll see at the top right, there's this big settings icon. Click on that over here. And then it will come up with this page over here where you can see you can edit your language languages, your phone numbers, your maximum page size, etc. What you want to do is you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Over here, you want to type or put on, for example, the vacation responder. So what this means is every time someone sends your email address and email, you are going to respond with an automatic response, right? So what I really like about this, it's all automated. The software is replying for you, and you can seem like an organic responder responding to people. So just quickly set this up for you guys. So all I said here was in the subject, free training on how to make money online. In the body of the email, I said, if you want to learn a proven system to make an extra $1,000 per week on the side with affiliate marketing that works worldwide, click on this link and take the free training. So let me show you. If you come back to Digistore24 and you click on your affiliate link, I want to show you what I mean by the free training. So over here, just waiting for this to load, is John Crestani's landing page where you can take a free training before actually buying the course. So I really like this because it's a great way to hook in clients and leads, like I said, because who doesn't want free stuff? People love free stuff. When you can give them something for free, it builds trust with them. They really appreciate that. That's why something like this converts much higher than just cold promoting something. So all we're going to do is we're going to copy our affiliate link over here. Go right click copy. We're then going to come over to this website over here called Bitly, which is a shortened URL. It shortens your URL. You'll see here's your long affiliate link. Just click on shorten. It makes it into this short little Bitly link over here that's not as spammy. And you can also track the amount of clicks that it gets for research purposes. And from here, all we do is we copy our Bitly link, right click copy on that, come back to your Gmail settings over here, and you can paste your Bitly link over here. You can see here's the big link. So that when people now send a message to this email address, this is the automation response that will reply to them automatically. And the next step from here, guys, is really simple. So you want to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. And all you're going to do is, I'm going to reveal this in a bit. On the search bar, we can go and find, in amongst over 10 million websites, alternative websites in a specific niche. So for example, we can type in ebay.com and it will then generate us a whole bunch of similar websites that do the same thing or are very similar to ebay.com, in that case e-commerce or selling stuff online. So we can go and search, for example, make money online. Click on search and it's going to generate us a whole bunch of popular blogs and articles that are related to the make money online niche, where people are giving answers. There's make money online communities. We can go get involved there and you can get started by making a lot of money there. What I really like about this, it converts so well because there's no cold promoting at all. So let's, for example, go to this website here, makemoneyb.com. Let's go easywealth.com. Let's go Market Streets Forum, 12makemoneyonline.com. And you can see here, let me just click on this link. And over here, you can see 3 popular articles on how to make money online. So what you can go and do is, for example, you can come over to the blog section of these websites. Let's just close this ad, click on blog. Let's go quick ways to make money online, for example. And if I scroll down, usually there is sections where people are leaving comments. There's communities leaving answers or questions in the blogs. But if I scroll down, I can see this website doesn't have one. So if a website doesn't have a blog where people aren't talking or where there's no communities, just move on. There's tons of other websites on this website. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. So another good example is this one over here. You can come to snapincome.com, which I got off this generator website over here. If I scroll down, you can see, for example, over here, 3 responses people are talking about and replying to the specific blog. So what you want to do is you want to go leave a reply. You want to come back to this website over here, translate this website to English. This is that Dutch forum that we found. And you, for example, can copy, for example, some of these ways to make money online. So we can copy, for example, over here, earn money with your website by becoming an affiliate. We can come back to this article forum over here and we can go, hey guys, here are my top 3 ways I use to make money online. And what I'm doing is I'm just providing free value. I hope this helps. And we can go, for example, 1. Paste this here, earn money with your website by becoming an affiliate. And the thing is, why we're using this forum that is in Dutch is because it's a forum that English people or people whose native language is English will not find this website simply because it's in Dutch. So a lot of this could be new. And then you can scroll down and, for example, we can go make money as a blogger. So we can go type in number 2, make money as a blogger with ads. And then 3, we can go, for example, type here, let's go use this here, earn money, for example, we can say earn money selling PLR ebooks. And then we can type here, if you guys want a 40-minute free training on how I make $1,000 per week with affiliate marketing, send me an email here. We can type in our email and I'll send the training over. I hope this helps. And we put J. So what we're doing is we're providing free value. We're not spamming affiliate links. We're giving people, for example, free value, kind of as like the jab. And then the hook is just, I've got a free 40-minute free training on how I make $1,000 per week in affiliate marketing. Send me an email here and I'll send the training over. What you can do is you can reply with a spot response to on all these make money forums on this website over here called similars.net. So this website, similars.net, is a website that generates you blogs and forums in a specific keyword that you search. So you want to go and post, reply to all the people on these make money online blogs, because obviously all these people are looking for ways to make money online. You can also come over to Quora.com, and we can go on the search bar over here, just waiting for this to load. Make money online. Let's click on search. Let's just click on make. Over here we can click on, for example, what's the easiest way to make money online. 10.8k people following this. Let's open this in a new tab, and over here we can paste the same thing. Hey guys, yeah, my top 3 ways I used to make money online. I hope this helps. If you guys want a 40-minute free training, make $1,000 per week with affiliate marketing, send me an email here. And my email, you just want to put a space between the Gmail and the .com so Quora doesn't register this as a link and won't ban it. Then all you can do is you can click on submit. And the thing is, when people send you an email, the autoresponder on gmail.com that we set up over here is automatically going to reply with this. So Gmail has automated this for you, and it's all done for you. And I mean, if people see that you're giving free value, they're going to message you, and it's a great way to get a lot of people through your affiliate link, and getting 1 or 2 sales per week is well over an extra $1,000 per week. And that's how easy it is. All you're doing is you're giving free value, and then you're telling people you've got this 40-minute free training, and people will message you because they see you're not spamming affiliate links. You're asking them to message you, which means and shows you're not this spammy bot. You're a genuine person giving free value, so they will message you as you're building trust with them. But guys, just quickly, this giveaway that I had from the beginning of this video, the Seaside Profits, as I promised in the beginning of this video, if you guys want this giveaway, I really suggest that you go and use this for the strategy that I've just shown you, especially with this Gmail automation. All I would like for is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate this. Subscribe down below with the bell on. That must be done because I can see who is subscribed to the channel with a tool called vidIQ, which shows me which person is subscribed to the channel. And then also leave a comment down below that you're ready to smash this and make some money online, and I'll reply to your comments with the download link to this course. Like I did in my previous video, you can go see all the comments. I have been replying to every single person, so you can go see there. That's the giveaway from the previous video. In this video, that's exact same rule, exact same concept to get you giveaways. All you must do is go leave your comments down below, leave a like, and subscribe down below at the bottom. But over here on the screen, I'm going to leave a quick playlist for you guys with over 100 videos with content that I've learned from many paid courses that's now for free on YouTube on how to master affiliate marketing and make money online. So definitely go click on this playlist above. It will really help you even more, giving you more value, teaching you more high income skills, and ultimately helping you make more money online. So definitely go click on this playlist above, and I'll see you there.